If you invested in a paver patio, walkway, or driveway, it was meant to be something you enjoyed, not something you avoided looking at. Over time, even well-installed paver systems can lose their clean appearance. Joints wash out, weeds and moss take hold, and surfaces begin to look tired or uneven. The issue usually isn't the pavers themselves, it's the system. The base, setting bed, and joint sand that makes the system perform. When that breaks down, the entire surface starts to suffer. Professional paver restoration goes beyond surface cleaning. It involves deep cleaning, removing failed joint material, stabilizing the system, and reinstalling the proper joint sand to restore both appearance and performance. In many cases, restoration can bring a hardscape back to life at a fraction of the cost of replacement, while improving performance, reducing weed growth, and extending the life of the system. Paver restoration is the best service you can provide for your tired paver surface. Contact us today for your free, no-obligation assessment.